You can say it again. Tell why Dunga. Tell us to us.
Why Dunga left the best striker in the world? You must bring him here so that everyone can be happy. We want to see Ronaldinho here in South Africa. Now he must leave his issues behind. The personal matters, they must leave it behind at Brazil and bring the guy here. We want him here in South Africa.
Tell us that you are not content because of the Africans.
I'm not happy because he didn't bring the man. You see, I'm a Brazilian myself. Brazil is in my blood. Why must he do this to us?
Ask Dunga. Dunga is responsible.
No, Dunga, he must, otherwise he must just resign and go, and Brazil look for another. Yes, you must resign. I think it's a good idea.
So it's great, man.
Yes.
I'm going to see that to all Brazilian journalists.
Yeah, he must resign and go, because if you've got a problem with somebody, you must just leave the problems behind, and then we must put the soccer in first, and then we can see all our favorite players, all our favorite teams. Brazil. Everybody talking about Brazil, but where is Ronaldinho? Where? I'm asking Dunga this question.
Well, say goodbye to us.
All right, my Brazilian. Have a nice, wonderful World Cup. Enjoy. Bye-bye.